तो ये मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट है और ये आमलेट और उसके साथ कुछ ये ब्रेड वगैरह दिए हैं, बाकी क्या दिए हैं। टुडे इज माई लास्ट डे इन इजिप्ट. माई फ्लाइट इज एट 6:30 p.m. from Cairo to Muscat and then Muscat to Hyderabad. I am taking back countless memories and experiences with me. Traveling 8,000 kilometers from home made me realize that I can go to any corner of the world. From overpaying for taxis on the very first day, getting taken to local markets by drivers, rushing to catch my bus, then struggling with food and language to arrive in Luxor, only to argue with a taxi driver the very next day, then walking halfway and eventually getting my revenge. And now here I am back in Cairo, preparing to head home. If someone asks me how my Egypt tour was, I would say Egypt is like India but not like India. This sentence has a deeper meaning if you can truly understand it. I feel sad leaving such a beautiful country, yet extremely happy to return to my own and even more beautiful one. Traveling solo makes you realize how vast the world is, and to explore it all, we have to push our limits and embrace the journey. Before wrapping up this video, let me share the real reason behind this trip. A few months ago, I was on a flight to Bangalore, and a lady sitting next to me casually mentioned that her daughter had traveled to several countries. Out of curiosity, I asked if she traveled alone. She replied, no, she travels with her husband. I jokingly said, well, you are sitting next to a solo traveler. She smiled and asked which was the last country you visited. Without thinking, I confidently said, Egypt. Then I asked her if her daughter had been there, and she shook her head, saying no with a hint of silence. The truth is, I had never been out of my country, but that little lie sparked a fire inside me, the desire to turn it into reality. And here I am today, standing in Egypt, having made this journey on my own. Sometimes adventure begins with just a small lie, and that lie led me here. Now in just few seconds I'll be landing at Hyderabad airport, so this is it for now. Keep traveling, and I'll see you in another story, in another place, at another time. Till then, take care, stay safe, and enjoy this landing. Bye.